Things that trigger Gunpla Fans, Part 1. When the V-fin's broken and you lost it. Yeah, this is a kit that I just lost the V-fin and it's really broken, so I just had fun with this. But it is triggering when your V-fin broke. What's worse is when you lost the red piece or the V-fin. Number 2, loose joints. This one isn't loose, but it's starting to get loose. And I have a kit which is really loose, and I don't want to show it because it's really broken. Loose joint. Number 3, thing that doesn't really hold so well. I used glue to fix to tighten the connector thing on here, so it wouldn't really fall apart. But this thing is really loose and falls apart before I fixed it.